Today, we're diving into the basics of DevOps. To start, how would you describe DevOps in simple terms?
I'd say DevOps is all about bridging the gap between development and operations teams to deliver software faster and more reliably. What's your take?
Exactly. It's a cultural and technical shift. It focuses on collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. Have you noticed any major benefits from adopting DevOps practices?
Definitely. Faster deployment cycles and fewer errors stand out. Plus, it encourages teams to communicate better. But sometimes I wonder, how does automation really fit into this?
Automation is like the engine of DevOps. It handles repetitive tasks like testing and deployment, freeing up time for innovation. Ever tried manual deployment and felt the pain?
Oh yes. It's like juggling flaming torches. Exciting but risky. With automation, things become smoother and more predictable. How about continuous integration? How critical is that?
Continuous integration is essential. It means merging code changes frequently, so bugs are caught early. It's like regular health checkups for your software. Have you worked with any CI tools?
I've used Jenkins and GitLab CI. They really streamline the process. But sometimes the setup can be tricky. Do you think the cultural change is harder than the technical part?
Absolutely. Getting people to embrace collaboration and shared responsibility often takes more effort than implementing tools. It's a mindset shift. What's your experience with that?
I've seen teams resist at first, worried about losing control. But once they see the benefits, they become advocates. What role do you think monitoring plays in DevOps?
Monitoring is like the eyes and ears of the system. It helps detect issues early and provides feedback for continuous improvement. Without it, you're flying blind. How detailed should monitoring be?
It depends on the system, but I'd say the more detailed, the better, as long as it doesn't overwhelm the team. Have you encountered any common pitfalls in DevOps adoption?
One big pitfall is trying to do everything at once. Tools, culture, processes. It's better to take incremental steps. Also, neglecting security is risky. What's your take on integrating security into DevOps?
That's where DevSecOps comes in, embedding security from the start. It prevents vulnerabilities early, rather than patching later. Do you think DevOps is suitable for all types of projects?
Not necessarily. Smaller projects might not need full DevOps, but the principles of collaboration and automation can still help. How about you?
I agree. It's about tailoring the approach to the project's scale and needs. To wrap up, what's one key takeaway for listeners new to DevOps?
Embrace the culture of collaboration and continuous learning. The tools will follow naturally. What would you add?
Don't be afraid to start small and iterate. DevOps is a journey, not a destination. And maybe keep a sense of humor. It helps when things go sideways.
Absolutely. Keeping it light can make the challenges easier to face. Thanks for the great chat. Hope our listeners feel inspired to explore DevOps further.
Me too. Until next time, keep building and improving.